And hopefully my head is now in the middle of the circle, because that was annoying me before watching that. So we've done the first bit, which is creating a folder. Now we need to evidence that folder. So we need to take a screenshot of that folder that we've generated. So we need to navigate to where our folder is. So in this particular instance, I created in Documents, I created a folder called Digital. And then within that, I've created what you may normally get, task 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what we're going to do is going to print the screen now to be able to do that. So on my keyboard, I'm just going to press the print screen button. And we can see that this icon comes up here. This one here is for the camera. If I wanted to record my screen, I could record it there. And then this icon here allows me to take a full screen snip. So I'm going to take a full screen snip. I'm just going to left click that. And now that has gone into my digital clipboard. What I need to do is then go down to Microsoft Word, open up Microsoft Word, blank document, and then I press the Control and V button, and the screenshot is pasted in. And you can see that all my folders are in there. I can see the path. I've named it digital, which is what it asked it for. Now what I need to do is I need to save that in my task 1 folder and call it subfolders. So I go to File, Save As, and because it's the first time we've saved it, we're going to click Save As. I'm going to browse, and then the navigation button will come up. Depending on where you go, you might need to click on Documents, but I can see that it's here already. But I'll just click on Documents, double click Digital, and you can see now the path is I'm in Documents, I'm in Digital. I click on Task 1, and then click into my file name, and I'm going to call it Subfolders. I can press Enter or can press Save, and then that's that document saved. If I go back, you'll be able to see it's called Subfolders there, it's saved. I'm going to close that down. If I now open up my Task 1 folder, I can see that the file is in there, which is the file that I need to upload for evidence. I always think it's a good way of working to get into, to actually see if you've actually copied and pasted the screenshot into it and if it's the right document. So I'm just going to double click and open it, and I can see that, yeah, that's my right document. It's got my folder structure. So that's what I'm now going to upload into my exam when I do my EDSQ subfolders thing. Hopefully that brief demonstration was quite good for you. If you need to, you can play it through again, over and over again. So just to recap, we've created a folder called digital, or what it could be. You could ask it to call it whatever you want, or whatever they decide. And then you've created some subfolders. You need to be very careful that when you name your folder, you name it exactly how they ask you to, because if you don't, you will lose marks for not naming it. Okay, hopefully that was useful for you.